Okay, so good evening in Thailand. We are in Bangkok, Thailand. This is my Honda Gorilla, which is we installed the battery today, and the battery pack is already done. I put the BMS at the end bands, the end made by the end. So this is connector. I use a bigger one because easier and got bigger contact. So I have another current flow. So I plug it in. So, and this is the BMS start button. And when I press button, click. See, working now. And working now, it means I can have the power. Then I can spin. So I have a spin here. So, well, working fine, and we'll take a look. And the other one over here in the BMS display. This is circuit breaker, DC. So the BMS is working now, all the electric. Then I turn on the panels, press and hold. The logo coming up, the end. And I got the current. Yeah, okay. There we go. And if I want to turn it off, I just press that button and hold it for 10 seconds. Everything off. It's cool. So yeah. Thank you very much for watching.